Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Team 3 and in this opportunity we will discuss about PT Perusahaan Perdagangan Indonesia Persero. But first of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Abidin and my friends Alven, Kezia Arista Korompis, and Molvi Dermawan. The first slide, we will discuss about company profiles. PT Perusahaan Perdagangan Indonesia Persero or PT PPI Persero as one of the state-owned business entities engaged in domestic and international trade has proven its existence well. PT PPI was formed in 2003 and developed into a large company and supported by strategic business unit consists of the parent company head office and 32 branches, a subsidiary representative office oversees BUMN shop, domestic, and sales partners. Next is about brief history. PT PPI Persero was established based on the decree of the Minister of the Justice and Human Rights Republic of Indonesia, number C14008 HT 0104 year 2003, concerning amendment of the company articles of associations of PT Perusahaan Perdagangan Indonesia Persero dated June 9, 2003. Next is about visions, mission, and philosophy. The visions is becoming a trusted and leading trading company and having access to source and marketing network in domestic as well as abroad. And the missions is conduct general and special trade which deal with a wide range of products from upstream to downstream in commercial as well as measurable way. And next is carry out local and international trading transactions, conduct production of goods that support tradings, establish partnership through integrated service utilizing reliable information technology system and networks, and the last is improve employee prosperity through productivity. And philosophy is increasing the value of the company through benefit for the community. Next is about corporate value. The corporate values in this company is clean, competitive, capable, customer focused, commercial, and self-confidence. Next is work culture. The work culture in this company is be positive, think say, and good attitude. Strong commitment, keep the promise or trust. Be faster, quick, and precise, and be cheerful and happy. Next is about corporate business activities. PDPPI Persero continues to conduct sustained improvement and enhancement in various fields to improve the performance of the company in order to create mutually beneficial business ecosystems and contribute to the improvement of social welfare and other stakeholders. And in addition, PDPPI Persero may conduct business activities in order to optimize the utilizations of the company resources for lease of premise, office lease, shop rental, land lease, transportations, property, and tourism. Next is about business positioning. The one is supplier or manufacturer, material producer or source of raw materials. Next is manufacturer, manufacturer or finished goods from raw materials on large scales. And added value process is processing of the manufacturer's products into value added commodities like processing, rebranding, co-branding, promotions, and packaging. And next is distributor or mediator, intermediate seller of trading products from manufacturers and process to wholesalers B2B and HoReCa, and retailer B2C sales canvassings. And next is wholesaler. Wholesaler or corporations with the requirements of goods in quantity. And next is retailer, small trade who sell goods to end user B2C, and the last is end user of the goods. Next slide is about activities and trading commodities of PDPPI. Is processed product brand of PDPPI Persero. The one product is Arnes and Kiku. PDPPI Persero has two brands of canned fish product named Arnes and Kiku. And in addition to canned food products, PDPPI Persero also suppliers fresh fish and frozen fish for domestic and foreign consumptions. For the picture of product, you can see this slide. Next is potato processing business units. Indonesia is the second largest producer of potatoes after China in Southeast Asia. The increase of potato productions in Indonesia is in line with the increasing demand for these potato products. This is the impact of Indonesia population growth and the rise urbanization, which cause household consumption also increases. And next is about corn industry. PDPPI Persero contribute to the government program to make corn as one of the main prioritized commodities to develop. Along with the developments of the animal feed industry, corn have changed its functions to become animal feed. The increasing demand for corn as animal feed provide a great opportunity for corn commodity growth. And next slide, we will discuss to Alphonse, please.
Okay, thank you. The next is Covare. Currently, Indonesia, coffee is the third largest in the world in terms of production and has an important role for the people in Indonesia. The economic potential of the coffee sector offers a good opportunity for PTTPI Persero, which is now intensively developing Arabic and Robusta coffee plantation management methods in various regions. Next. The connection between a cup of coffee and farmer is well established due to the commitment to produce to the best quality. Next. The next is pesticide. PTPPI as the brand holder of Dharma brand pesticide product, which is include Dharmasan, Dharmabas, Dharmasip, and Dharmafur. This product works as a toxic contact and stomach poison to control pests in the food crop, horticulture, and plantation. The proper use of Dharma brand is able to optimize crop yield. Next. These are some products of Dharma brand. The first is Dharmasip 550 Easy, Dharmasan 60 Easy, 600 Easy, Dharma Base 500 Easy, Dharmafur 3G, and Dharmafara 276 SL. Next. And the next is Panganesia. PTPPS as a brand non Panganesia. This brand include some product which is rice with flour. Next. Fine salt, sugar, next. And cooking oil. The superiority of Panganesia product is produced using RBD palm olein CPA, which is freezing point. It is at 18 to 20 Celsius. Panganesia has economical price but better quality than some cooking oil product in its class. Next. The next is Transamin and medical instrument. Transamin has 4 types, such as Transamin capsule 250 mg, Transamin tablet 500 mg, Transamin injection 250 mg, and Transamin injection 500 mg. Next. The next one is hazardous material. Next. Priority product for PTPPI are borax pentahydrate, sodium cyanide, MDAA, EIA, and potassium chloride. Our next slide will be presented by my friend Kezia.
Okay, the next is fertilizer. Type of fertilizer, the first is subsidy the first is subsidy fertilizer, second is not subsidy fertilizer. Next. The third is KCl fertilizer, and fourth NPK fertilizer. Next. Next is fourth is urea fertilizer, and the last is the A fertilizer. This is a type of fertilizer. Okay, next. It's coconut and derivative. PTPPA or Persero makes coconut as one or of future commodities which have high potential for export activities. The main products of a coconut product is coir, shell, fruit flesh, and coconut water, and none of these parts are waste but can be processed into varied and beneficial industrial products. Is copra, coconut oil, dried grade coconut. Next, latex coagulate, nata de coco, and the last is carsol. Next. Okay, this is a building material. PT PPI Persero distribute Portland cement type 1. The manufacturing process, this type of cement is by mixing several elements, including slag, gypsum, and inorganic materials. And by adding water, it will form cement paste and then become rigid and hard. Okay, next. The next is the type of building material is the first is asphalt. Asphalt is one of the building materials that is used in a road construction or circuit project. Has its main function as a binding agent and cladding of ground surface which applied by mixing another compounds such as bitumen and mineral. The next is spandex. PT PPI or Persero distributes like steel products, namely spandex to SOEs, Scaria, Perumnas, and wool esters of home construction needs in disaster-prone areas. Spandex is one type of house roof made of mixing aluminum and zinc. Okay, next. Okay, the next is spice. As a tropical country, Indonesia is blessed with fertile soils and a variety of plants which has a million benefits. One of them are spice. Spice are part of plants which have strong and taste aroma. There are first type of spice in Indonesia. The first is nutmeg. This delicious plant has slim olive leaves, fruits like lemon, yellow colored, and have distinct aroma because it contains atsiri oil derived from Ternate, Banda, Siau, Manado, and Halmahera. Grows well in areas with an altitude of 500 sampai 700 meter above sea level. Next. The next spice is cardamom and black pepper, white pepper, and clove. Okay, next. Okay, the next is crude palm oil and its derivative. Crude palm oil is one of the most widely consumed and manufactured oils in the world. This expensive, easy to produce, and highly stable oil is used for a wide variety of foods, cosmetic, hygienic products, and can also be used as a source of biofuels or biodiesel and biodiesel. Most palm oil is produced in Asia, Africa, and South America because palm trees require warm temperature, sunlight, and high rainfall to maximize production. Okay, the next presentation is Molvi.
Okay, thank you, Kezia. Still continue about trading commodities of PT-PPI. The next commodity is tea. PT-PPI Persero has a new concept by collaborating between tea lovers and contemporary at the same time. With a new refreshing concept in the tea industry, which creates a new invention in the flavor, color, aroma of tea, and offers a variety of flavors and types. Next. Next is rattan. Rattan is one of the flagship commodity of Indonesian non-timber forest products. There are 600 types of rattan in the world. around 350 species in Indonesia, and 80% of the population of rattan in the world grows in Indonesian forest. Next. Next is gas station. PT-PPI Persero has a gas station located on Kampung Bandan Street, number 30 and 31, Ancol Village, Pademangan District, North Jakarta. The location of this gas station is very strategic because it's located warehousing area with Pertamina's products offer premium, Pertalite, Pertamax, Solar, and Pertamina Dex. Next is property. PT-PPI Persero has 500 plots spread across all major cities in Indonesia. Next is good corporate governance. Implementation of corporate governance is a system as well as a structure to give confidence to our stakeholders that the company is managed and controlled to protect the interests of stakeholders in line with laws and regulation. Next is partnership and community development program. PT-PPI Persero carry out the partnership and community development program by participating in providing guidance and assistance for entrepreneurs with little capital, cooperatives, and communities who have been directly involved in the development and empowerment of micro and small business program focusing on the company's main community. Next. In addition, the company continues to actively participate in disaster relief programs, natural conservation assistance, development assistance of public facilities and infrastructure, and assistance in health assessment and the assistance of religious facilities. Next is distribution channel. PT-PPI Persero as a development agent in order to pursue the national export target. PT-PPI Persero strive to open overseas market with a focus on export and interstate trade activities, holding international trade shows, establishing export house and representative office in several countries, buying mission activities, and also cooperate actively with Indonesian representative abroad through Indonesian Trade Promotion Center and or the diaspora. Next is Graha Export. Graha Export was established in Graha PPI, has functioned as a showroom for PT-PPI Persero products, small and medium enterprises, UKM products, and Indonesian commodities which are ready to penetrate to the world export market. Graha Export is expected to be home and export solution for our business partner to ship the products directly or commodities which are needed in accordance with the desired expectation and quality. Next we'll continue about distribution channel. Next is PT Trisarifim. PT Trisarifim is a subsidiary of PT Indonesian Trading Company Persero with its business field including freight forwarding, depot container, EMKL or PPJK, and trucking or truck trailer. Next is representative office. PT-PPI Persero is more active in targeting international markets as a strategic work unit abroad. PT-PPI Persero opened several representative office in cooperation with partner in destination country. Next. Okay, thank you. I return to Abidin.
Okay, thanks for the attention, guys, and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, good, udah selesai. Thank you atas semua tugas-tugasnya. Terima kasih banyak ya. Nanti gua tinggal bikin paling gua langsung Google Drive ataupun diupload di YouTube sih. Habis itu gua langsung kirim ke GCR. Oke, finish ya untuk
Thank
Oke,
you semua.
thank you semuanya.
Thank you semuanya.
Sama-sama. Dian aja, Bi.
oke di